Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple: what stands out, what to check, and who the tech gadget is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Material, plug. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. The water valve adjustable flow allows you to customize the water flow for your pet. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Luminous LED is a beautiful decoration and easy to locate the fountain in the night. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video. One extra thing I would compare is whether the exact model and size match what you actually need.